How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna show you how you can change your Apple account email. So maybe you don't use this email anymore, you don't want it, you have a new primary email, and you just want to replace this with a new one. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly that, and the best part is you won't lose any of your data, nothing will change with your iCloud, and not even your password will change. Everything will stay exactly the same with your Apple account, we'll just change the email. So let's get started. Okay, so let's reopen our settings and then tap again on Apple account where it says your name, and then let's tap here on sign in and security, the second option. Let it load, and then right here we have a few email and phone numbers. As you can see right here, the one we want to care about is actually the first one, which says primary email. So that's the email that you actually get all of the notifications via email that you use to sign in. That's your primary Apple account email. So that's the one we want to change. It's super simple. Tap on it, as you can see, and then right here we have two options. Option number one, we can disable primary email. So your current Apple account email will remain on your Apple account, but it'll not be your primary anymore. Or if you want to, you can remove this email altogether, completely get rid of it, and use a new one, which is what I'm gonna do in this video. I'm gonna remove it from my account. I don't want this email on my Apple account anymore. I'm gonna remove from account, and then right here, I already have the possibility to add a new primary email address. So that's what we're gonna do. So add a new primary address, let it load. You can use Face ID if you have stolen device protection enabled, okay? And right here, we can already choose a new email address. So I'm gonna type it in right now. And keep in mind, you can use any email that you want right here, your personal, professional, any email that you want, okay? You can use a Google email, anything, okay? So let's go ahead and continue. And then we're gonna get a verification code on the email address that we have typed in, just to verify it's ours, all right? So I've typed it in, now it's gonna verify the code, and then in just a few seconds, as you can see, our primary email address was updated, and you can now use it to sign in. So it's been updated, it's our new Apple account email. You can tap on done, as you can see right here, and then we're good to go. As you can see right here at the top, it's been updated. Our primary email has been updated with this new one that I have just typed in. I don't have the old one anymore. I have removed it, as you saw. So now my Apple account has been updated with a new email. As you can see, it's gonna ask if you wanna use this new email for iMessage, FaceTime, and so on. I'm not gonna do it simply because this is just a demonstration video, but of course for you, you probably want to update iMessage and FaceTime as well, okay? So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos with you guys. Bye-bye.